Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Filecoin price prediction and Filecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Filecoin in 2022. Filecoin is a decentralized storage system that aims to store humanity's most important information. As part of the initial offering, ICO, in 2017, the project raised $205 million. The launch was originally scheduled for mid-2019. However, the Filecoin mainnet launch date has been pushed back until block 148,888 is reached on October 15, 2020. The project was first described back in 2014 as an incentive layer for the Interplanetary File System, IPFS, a peer-to-peer storage network. Filecoin is an open protocol. It is backed by a blockchain that records the commitments made by network participants through transactions made using FIL. FIL is the native currency of the blockchain. Blockchain is based on both proof of repetition and proof of spacetime. Filecoin was founded by Juan Bennett, who also created the Interplanetary File System. Bennett is an American computer scientist who studied at Stanford University. After founding Protocol Labs in May 2014, he visited Y Combinator in the summer of 2014, with the intention of finding support for IPFS and Filecoin, among other projects. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Filecoin. Filecoin suffered a short-selling attack. Application tokens on public and non-trading chains led the market. Token Insight Weekly Market Review. After the great futures and options delivery on March 26, the digital asset market quickly recovered. As of 11 p.m. on April 1, the price of Bitcoin had rebounded above the $60,000 line, while the price of Ethereum broke through the $2,000 again. At present, the total market value of the all-digital asset market has reached $1.93 T. In the context of mainstream digital assets, the performance of related tokens on the non-Ethereum public chains and the non-transactional chains is even more prominent, with a rise of 50% in general, continuing to lead the market in the near future. However, the short-selling attack encountered by Filecoin indicates that the anti-risk ability of non-mainstream currencies is relatively weak, and for inexperienced investors, it is still necessary to think more closely. After delivery, neutralization of the mainstream currency market. March 26, the Great Delivery Day, is considered an important day for both the traditional market and the digital asset market. The settlement of futures and options for the first quarter ends on the same day, and the allocation of futures and options for the next quarter also begins at this time. Before and after the settlement of derivatives, the price of the underlying asset often fluctuates sharply. Take Bitcoin as an example. At the beginning of the delivery, the price reached a low point below $52,000, and then rose back to the pre-delivery level, $60,000 line, within a week. Despite the large price fluctuations, the direct impact on the market is still minimal. From the perspective of historical volatility, the historical volatility of spot and futures is still steadily declining, indicating that the general market view has not been affected, and the failure of the organized short in March further proves that the anti-risk ability of mainstream digital assets is increasing on the daily, has a lot of potential for development in 2022. Filecoin will provide access to a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Polygon, Matic, Ethereum, ETH, Binance Smart Chain, BSC, Solana, Sol, and Avalanche, AVAX, FRPN. Several solutions will be combined, so that holders may do multi-chain swaps at the least price and timely rates feasible. A 15% presale allocation of Filecoin, FRPN, will be available on PancakeSwap, PS, and Uniswap, US. As the demand for cross-chain transactions rises, Filecoin, FRPN, looks to be in a great position to gain on other cryptos, while also providing significant value to its holders. Filecoin, FIL, and Tezos, TEZ, are two such currencies that fared very well during their presale, XTZ. With the Filecoin, FIL, presale started in 2017, it had already generated more than $250 million United States dollars. The debut of Filecoin, FIL, was well worth it for investors. It jumped from $11.02 to $28.39 in its first week on CoinMarketCap, an increase of more than 150%. Filecoin hit a record high of $237.24 in April of 2021. The top price of the cryptocurrency marks a 4,600% gain from its ICO price of $5. As of its height, a $1,000 investment in FIL would have been valued at about $50,000. Tezos, XTZ, is another coin that started its pre-sale in 2017 and is one of the largest in cryptocurrency history. Tezos XTZ raised almost $232 million in less than 2 weeks. In the words of its creators, it's the last cryptocurrency, and it's meant to last. XTZ holders have the option of voting on proposed protocol changes. Tezos, XTZ, coin holders achieved an all-time high in October 2021, notwithstanding this fact. This raises the issue of whether Filecoin, FRPN, can replicate its rival's prior success. Early investors have seen the value of their investments in FRPN more than double in a matter of hours, and this is just the first round of the token presale. There is still plenty of time to invest in the whole presale, which is predicted to grow by more than 1000% in the next stages. With little over 40 days remaining in the FRPN presale, there is still time for prospective buyers to take advantage of this fantastic deal. The crypto space is about to go mainstream, with each project offering unique plans to survive and dominate the market. Is Filecoin, Phil, a good investment? How much will Filecoin be worth in 2025, or how much will Filecoin be worth in 10 years? Now we will try to answer all these questions. So, Phil rate prediction 2022. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new year. We are confident that the long-term Phil price forecast will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2022 could end with an average bid of $29.21, and a minimum bid of $28.17. The maximum bid is expected to be around $32.21. Phil price prediction 2023. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Filecoin will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2023, Phil is expected to peak at $48.89. The minimum bid could rise to $41.28 if the market turns bullish. Filecoin price prediction 2024. The current price range of Filecoin may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Phil could reach $72.85 by 2024, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $64.11 for 2024, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. Filecoin course forecast 2025. Phil has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Filecoin, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of $109.46. Phil is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of $93.17, a minimum price of $90.60, and a maximum price of $109.46. Phil price prediction 2026. The value of Filecoin will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Phil is expected to top out at $159.12 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Filecoin will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average Phil price will be between $128.11 and $132.77 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, Phil's maximum price ranges from $128.11 to $159.12 for 2026. Phil price prediction 2027. Phil will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Filecoin price will reach new highs. Price swings are